In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in Notion. We'll build a clean, reliable contact manager that tracks details, keeps your history organized, and helps you follow up at the right time. Start by creating your database. In any Notion page, type / then database. And choose either database inline if you want it embedded within your page, or full pages if you want it to live on its own. Inline is great for dashboards. Full page gives you a dedicated workspace. Next, add essential properties so each contact entry is consistent and useful. Keep the default name property for the person's name. Add a phone property and set it to text so it supports different formats. Add an email property as text as well. Create a relationship property using the select type. Add only the categories you actually need, like personal, professional, or client, so it stays tidy. Add a birthday property using the date type. Finally, add a last contacted property, also a date. To track your touchpoints, use different views to make your database easier to work with. Table view is perfect for quick data entry and sorting. Gallery view turns each contact into a card. You can display a photo and preview key properties like relationship or last contacted. Board view groups contacts by a select property, so you can see people by relationship category at a glance and drag cards between groups if tags change. Create a template inside the database to standardize each new contact. Add a notes section for context, a meeting history area with dated entries, and a space for gift or idea lists. This keeps your information uniform and saves time every time you add someone new. Make your list actionable with filters and sorts. Filter by relationship or any tags to focus on a segment. Sort by last contacted so the people you haven't spoken to in the longest time rise to the top. You can also save a filtered view that surfaces anyone you haven't contacted in roughly 3 months, which is great for regular follow-ups. For optimization, add formula properties. Calculate age or next birthday from the birthday field, or create a formula that flags overdue follow-ups based on last contacted. Use relations and roll-ups to connect this contact database to separate companies or projects databases. Then roll up related details like recent activity. If you already have a list, use import to bring in a CSV file and map each column to the matching property. Double-checking date formats and select options. That's it, your Notion Contact Manager is ready. Thanks for watching.